Hello friends. Hello friends. Very good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. In this live session, we are going to find some trade opportunity by using our scanner, Google Sheet scanner. It's updated for this current week. And anyone who are on the live session, can you please let me know my voice and video clear? So very good morning to all. Okay, so as of now, HDFC AMC is not a liquid one, and Alchem also be a not a liquid one, so that stock will be standing in the top because of the last traded price. And remaining, so we find ICICI which triggers by before 9:30. So better to wait, and 1350 in ICICI. What's happening? 111 points in Bank Nifty and 72 points in Nifty. And still BHEL, it's keep on going high, and that was a great opportunity today. Last week also we got it, and after this big rally in daily time frame, it looks like a candle. It's a star candle at the top. So better to wait and watch this trade. If any opportunity which we find out based on our scanner, it's about a pure option scanner, then we can plan for it. Look at this ICICI General Insurance. By the starting itself, it was moving higher. And the sale last week also triggered only one day, and Tata Steel also be there in the top. National Aluminium also be there. These are all the weekly positional, and monthly positional. We have already triggered a monthly positional, and BHEL, 15 National Aluminium, and SAIL, Tata Steel, NMDC. So these are all triggered, which is happening by yesterday. Even India Cements also. Tata Power is 15.3, is nearby. Our monthly positional, it's not about a weekly, so we are looking for a monthly positional. So once it is crossed over and above that level of 15 plus 15.3, so we can focus in Maruti also 449, and the JSW Steel. So these are all the opportunity which is nearing to that our breakout entry based on our positional strategy. So maybe we can add this stock and let we track, and even ONGC. This is for the student who are watching our trades. And look at this Maruti 10,100, which is nearing to that our breakout point. Some of the stocks maybe we are going to find out on a trade opportunity. Let me check Maruti 10,100 call. I think it is triggered. Yeah, 467 is the current price. I think it's triggered 449. 450 is our entry point. Now it is trading near about 475. So already triggered our entry point. Maybe intraday opportunity which you want to focus, you can focus. The second one is about Tata Power. Tata Power, which we are looking for the call strike price, it's about 247.5, 14.3 and 14.6. 224 call option, made 8,000 in Tata Steel. Very good. Yeah, Maruti now it is 457. So better to wait the same level which triggers, and then we can go for. Okay, so because it is 3 years before 9:30, you don't want to go for immediate opportunities. And Hindalco, ICICI, Punjab National Bank also be there in the list. And whatever the trade which we are looking here, monthly positional, and you need to hold it for a monthly basis, and it is should be a pure positional. So while if you are looking for IDFC Bank, IDFC First Bank also be the good, and you can watch this, and if it breaks above that level, so you can go for. As per our temporary sheet, you can see how many stocks which is already triggered from this list. So after 9:30 we can focus for a new breakout. Okay, so already these stocks are triggered our entry, but because today ICICI, National Aluminium, SAIL, Ultratech Cement, so are moving good. LNT also be good one. And here weekly positional, National Aluminium is nearby, SAIL also be nearby. So once it is triggered that breakout point, then only we can go for it. Okay. And we can add a Maruti for 10,100 call option. Yeah, so I think it is beginning from 70 to 400. Okay, it's a great move on Maruti. So our breakout point on the Maruti is around 450. That was triggered earlier. So we are not going to focus. I'm talking about a monthly positional, and something nearby monthly positional is Tata Power, Hindalco, BEL, Bharat Electrical Limited, Electronics, 8.3, 9.1, and SBI got Punjab National Bank. I think it's a huge premium, so 63. Why? Because of 16,000 lot size. Is there any changes in the lot size? PNB 60. Yeah, still 16,000 is the lot size. I don't want to go for such a big lot size and the bigger premium. What happened in ICICI General Insurance? That is also monthly opportunity on 85 above 1320, and weekly it is triggered. Now it is 61. Immediately went higher and now it is returned back. So National Aluminium 98 call option on weekly basis. Already monthly is running now. So maybe if it is breaks on weekly, so we can go for that also be possible for a breakout. 98 National Aluminium. Let me track this, and after 9:30 we can go for 6.5, 6.8 should be our entry point, right? 6.8 should be our entry point on National Aluminium. So we need to wait. After 9:30 only we can look for this, and the lot size of the stock is 7,500. So in Maruti already greater than our entry point. We should wait. Seal industry same. It's not a liquid one. Ultratech maybe it is a liquid. We can check, and this is what a weekly opportunity. So the nearby is 9,000. Yeah, but as per our concept, we are selecting the strike price is 10,100. Either if you want, you can take for 10,200 or even 10,500 also. It depends on your logic. But if you are going for a so out of the money, so you will be getting higher lower margin. That's important. That only can get benefited. Idea 1.4, and not going to focus, and that one JSW is still now it is triggered. These are all the triggers which is happening before 9:30. So before 9:30 sometimes the gap up and gap down which affect a very huge. ONGC also moving higher. NTPC, it's about a huge premium. The stock value is 220, but the premium value is 17. It's about huge. What about DLF? Is there any move on DLF? It's about a very flat at the top. Maybe yesterday is a spinning top candle, and if it is breaks below 500 or breaks above 510, so we can expect a movement and upside. Hey, what happened? This one breaks. Yeah, I think a National Aluminium already breaks before 936.8 is our entry point. So now it is 7.6. Okay, it's a quick move, so but it's a risky move, riskier trade if on the first 15 minutes. So that's why we are avoiding by using the 930 filter. DLF is very flat at the top after moving a rally, so it was struggling at the top level and also be inside between the previous day, and we should wait for either the side to break at the top level. National Aluminium moves almost 10%, so but we are looking for that breakout, but it is happening before 9:30. So why we are saying about this 9:30 breakout or before 9:30? So look at the ICICI General Insurance. Initially it's showing you the huge move, but now it is almost 20% lower from our entry. So that's why we are waiting and avoiding such a kind of trade. ICICI General Insurance, that will filter out many trades if we are not working very fast. ICICI GI. So look at this. Initially it went higher, and now it is almost rejected very high. Okay, so that's the reason we are waiting for before 9:30. So National Aluminum still it's talking, and this is also not given you the breakout. Sorry, that means a fresh breakout. It is already given you an entry before 9:30. Okay, so after that, if your retracement, then we can go for, and it is already 124%, 24% increased. I think 15,000. I hope. So from 6.8 now it is 8.4. Quick move. This is a weekly opportunity, so we are going to hold this opportunity up to this weekend, the Friday. So maybe Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, you can try for new opportunities and hold up to Friday. So here is the concept is to find out. So 2 to 3 opportunities or even 5 opportunities good enough. Okay, so only that condition if meets, that should be the perfect opportunity. Weekly sale also be there in the top list, and ICICI General Insurance ignored it because of it is not given you the opportunity. Sale 97 is around currently 6 rupees, and go for SAIL, currently trading 6 rupees. Our entry point was only above 6.6. And one more opportunity, same Ultratech, it's not a quite liquid, and Hindalco, Coal India, Tata Steel, Balram Chini. So our market is positive, that's why we are looking for a call side, so not to see the put side. So Maruti on monthly positional. So based on our monthly positional, 49.5, but it given you the breakout earlier. So if it has came to the same level again, we can try. So but right now, so we don't want to go for. But if you want to see the sale, in this concept we have a 4.5 is our breakout entry. But what happened most of the time, so this much of stock which triggers earlier our entry point, so that's the reason. And IDFC First Bank 91 is around 3.9. So IDFC First Bank 91 3.9. You look at this, it was started by the gap up and it is moving lower. So it was a open above to the previous day high. But are the chances for moving down should be highly possible. Okay, so what this? But these are all the monthly trades which we are looking for. Tata Steel 30%. So a lot of stock today. SAIL, National Aluminium, NMDC, BHEL, National Aluminium, monthly positional, Tata Steel, almost 30%. So we've seen almost 4 or 5 stocks more than 50%. That's huge, good enough. I think as advanced option strategy student, you will complete your monthly target also by using that 4 or 5 stocks. The national aluminum is moving higher and 8.15. So immediately jumps. In sale we are looking for a breakout, and Maruti also we are waiting for that level to keep 455. This is what our level. Can I get my video and audio clearly? Can you able to access my video audio clearly? Hello? Is anyone can you access my video audio clearly? Please let me know. So national aluminum is nearing almost 18%, which increased. Steel also started moving. So monthly positional we have lot of stocks. In BEL is around 9.1 is our breakout entry, but it is not triggered. IEX also be there in the top. In Maruti, which is not nearing to our entry point, ONGC, K, NMDC, something like we are going to watch for our trades. You get my audio video clear? So no viewers, very few. So I think some technical issue. Are you watching? Anyone who are watching this live session, please ping me here in the chat box. Very good morning, Dinesh. Thank you for joining. Almost Maruti now it is moving towards the lower level of our entry point. So what we are looking for a Maruti is to be we are looking for a Maruti around 450. So now it is lower than our entry point. Initially it moves, and if you want to try Maruti also, we can try at this level. So maybe the chances we can get for a good opportunity. Okay, based on our monthly positional, it's not about a weekly. Okay, so Maruti 10,100 for 49, but it was triggered MCX. I think whenever you are focusing only low liquid stock or already the stock moved higher, that kind of stocks only you are looking for. Sure. So we need to check while we are doing the market. So we have to focus all the point of view. Okay. So only if you are planning in a same only one stock, that's not a market. You are doing on the same stock by like that. You are loving a stock like. Okay, BHEL not traded it. So Maruti. So let me look at Maruti 449. Now it is 458. Suddenly jumps. Our entry point is to be 449. Now it is given you the entry after 9:30. So now 451. So maybe initial trigger, but 9:30. So we are trying for a retracement opportunity and monthly positional. This is not an intraday. So purely monthly positional, we can hold it for 450 level. Okay, so even lower, so we can focus this for further opportunities. For 40 right now. So where should be the previous level? Is there any support or resistance on camera? Yeah, it was trading on R3. So breakout is R4 511. So previously it closes now 400. Maximum it came to 400 level, or we try to find out 430 should be the retracement opportunity at this high 430. Maybe that level we can focus for a retracement also. If it has goes down like this, 430 would be the better price to focus for this, because it's a monthly opportunity, not for a daily or a weekly. So we should wait. In overall market is now go slightly 43 points. Banknifty is very flat at this moment. Maruti 436. 10,100 call. Refer 27. So exactly what we are looking for, that was an opening here. So we just look at a 422 now, 450. So maybe this one. So monthly opportunity. So at this previous close level is around 400. Should be possible level. So this trade which we are planning for a positional opportunity, not for an intraday. It should be monthly positional. Okay. In weekly positional, so we have a national aluminum which is triggers in the past 15 minutes, and if it is came to 6.8, we can try for an opportunity. And Coal India, Tata Steel, and Ultratech and SAIL is all nearby to that our opportunity. Okay, so maybe the chances, if it is breaks above, we can focus those stocks. I think my side is an issue where you get my video clear, so no one is updating right now. So here my side also it's not updating. Okay, so anyone who are joined on this live session, can you please let me know my voice and video clear? Can you able to access? Okay, thank you for your update. But my side I'm not getting any clear thing. National Aluminum 7 rupees right now. So that showed a previous breakout. C same may not be a liquid one. So Coal India, JSW, Tata Steel and SAIL are the nearby. It's going to break over a breakout point. The positional opportunity we are looking for. So even National Aluminum after breaking 6.8, immediately it moves to 8.4. Now it is moving lower. So there are reason. The first 15 minutes is always highly volatile. So that's why we are ignoring that. Maruti, so that level is currently trading 460. So it's about a monthly. National Aluminum sale, which we are looking for a breakout on weekly position. So let me check this. Dr. Reddy is down from many days. It's a trending down. Maybe a consecutive down candles. Better to avoid, and if you find out any reversal candle at the bottom, so we can focus this one for a positional opportunity or a buying opportunity. At this moment it is keep on moving lower, so no, not a good one. Okay, so what's happening? Okay, so better to avoid. I think you are looking for, I'm just waiting for a berger paint. I think it's not a liquid one. Let me check whether berger paint this time. I think one of my student who made some good profit on Tata Steel, he was taken around 6.8 and 10.2. Now it shared this thing. My first live trade on this weekly jackpot. Thank you for such a simple and powerful strategy. Few trades a month is sufficient. Yeah, that is the thing which I'm always telling you. So don't need to focus for a 10-20 stocks. 3 to 4 stocks is good enough to cover our expected return or expected target something. In National Aluminum, I think Tata Steel is now moving better in this month. So previously it was trading around 110, level. So long back. Now it has started just recovering back. Maybe a investment stock investment we can plan on it. National Aluminum. And the SAIL also slightly moving higher. With the SAIL 57. Okay, that should be an opportunity which we are finding based on our Google sheet. I think my side internet is issue. And I'm not getting the updates also. So we have few stocks, but maybe after sometimes later you will be getting lot of stocks from this list, and we have to wait for that opportunities and then we can go for sale. Also we are waiting for, and breakout, and National Aluminum also we are waiting for. That breakout is already done, so we are not waiting, so it is already done. And something like Maruti, if you want a positional holding, so we can focus on Maruti also, and National Aluminum sale, so which are nearby stocks. And monthly positional if you are holding, so almost BHEL, NMDC, Coal India sale, National Aluminum and Tata Steel almost given you such a big result, and target also be done. And MCX Gale, MCX also moving good, almost 20%. I think you are asking about, but most of the time that was not a liquid one, so you need to understand that mostly it is not liquid. Okay, so I think sale also moving good. Okay, so we have to wait. It's a positional trade. We have to give you the time for holding the position, so that would be better. Maruti 422, so 450 is our breakout, 49.5. So it has given you the breakout by the first 15 minutes, so we are not taking any trade, so we are waiting for it. And once it triggers again retracement, also you can focus for a fresh breakout, or else you should wait for the same and you can keep wait for the positions. In something like National Aluminum 5.8, it's a monthly, that's given you such a good opportunity, and again weekly also it's giving you some opportunity 6.8, that should be the entry point, but it came to 7 level, so it not reaching to the 6.8. Good opportunities. ₹8 to the National Aluminum. So I hope you are enjoying this today's session, but I was not convinced with that session today. So I'm going to wind up this session. So if you have any questions and doubts, also you just ping me here. Back in 15 minutes. No. So here it's not a clear one. So I have a lot of issues with this going on. I need to close this one. So I'm going to wind up the session, and thank you for watching, and we'll update you soon. And thanks for being with me. And if you have any other questions or a doubt also, you just ping me in the chat box. Thank you to all. Sorry for today's live session. It's not a right one. Even my side also, it's not showing you the right thing. Coal India is nearing to that our entry point, almost 237.5, 10.5. So nearby our entry point, maybe the chances it can be going to break that level also. So you can track this, and maybe the chances you will get it. And if you have any other doubts and questions also, you just ping me in the chat box and comments. Thank you so much. And I'm going to sorry for this live session today, so not able to continue full, and I'm going to wind up this one.